welcome back to my channel. My name is Chelsea Fuss. I'm a flower arranging instructor and floral designer. I'm also the author of Field Flower Vase, and I'm so glad that you've landed on my channel. If you like free flower arranging workshops and you want to learn more about working with flowers in a sustainable way, go ahead and hit the subscribe button below.
Today we are going to make a fall bouquet in a very wildflower style using seasonal ingredients. So the first lesson in flower arranging is to really use what is around you, what your landscape is providing to you at this moment. So instead of, for instance, seeking after maybe some trendy flowers that you've seen on Instagram or something like that, go ahead and walk around your neighborhood or your garden, wherever you observe nature, and see what your landscape is providing, see what your local growers are growing at this moment, and try to create based around those ingredients. So today I am using a selection of ingredients that I foraged and also ingredients that I grew myself. So I have pittosporum berries, cinnamon basil, marigold, buried ivy, and a selection of grasses and pods.
What sort of materials are you finding in your neck of the woods? I would love to know. Leave me a comment below. I actually have a free workshop all about sourcing seasonal ingredients. I've put the link below in the description box, and if you click that, you'll be taken to the on-demand streaming free workshop all about sourcing flowers and seasonal ingredients in an environmentally friendly way.
I've already prepped and conditioned all of my ingredients here today. So you will want to do that as well before you get started. It's very important to condition your ingredients properly, and that basically just involves getting the stems cleaned and hydrating them. So once you have them all ready, then you can begin making the bouquet by holding the stems in your non-dominant hand and then adding with your other hand. Now, one thing to note, you will want to turn the bouquet as you go to make sure that it's interesting from all angles. And if your hand gets tired, then you can wrap some string around, okay, where your hand is binding it together. And you can bind it, and then you can pick it up and keep adding stems to it. Now, I'm making mine today in a little bit of a fan shape. It's quite elegant, so I have it kind of elongated, and it's kind of going out on either side. So this makes a beautiful little gift. If you cut the stems quite short, then you can put it right in a vase. I have a project similar to this in my book if you want to check it out. So when you're ready to bind your bouquet, you can set your bouquet down carefully so it's not too disrupted. And then with one hand, grab your string and wrap that around a few times, just exactly where your hand was, okay? And I like to make sure it's nice and secure. Add it to a little vase and it makes a gorgeous little hostess gift, or you can add it to a centerpiece as I've done here.
Thank you so much for watching today, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. If you enjoyed this tutorial, I would love to have you along for more flower arranging workshops. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button below for more free flower arranging workshops.